Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, adaptive cruise control, dual power sun moonroof, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.